Assalamualaikum and good morning to all teachers. I am Mizan Qistina Bushra Binti Adanan from SRA Tengku Amalin Putri. Today, I'll be sharing CEFR digital resources for Year 6. Okay. To access the material, please click the link and the link will be provided at the bottom of the video. Make sure to insert the activation key as provided. Make sure the capital letter is capitalized or else you might not be able to access the material. There is a bonus for Year 6 material which is Balloon English A2.my. And then for the password, it is 2 star towards hashtag balloon. And then make sure the password is correct or else you might not be able to access the material. For this material, it is fully online. So teachers, you can share this link with your students, parents and other teachers at the school. For Year 6, I'll be sharing with you how to teach the materials for this topic, getting around. In this topic, we can teach the vocabulary, verb, adjective, the difference between verb and adjective. I'm sure most of the students cannot differentiate verb and adjective properly. They also don't know the name of this, on the head, the helmet, the bicycle, and many more. Okay, I will not be talking a lot on this material for textbook, but we will move to the online material. Okay. When you click on the CEFR Balloon English, make sure to choose 5A. There are 4 levels. We will choose 5A. Okay, and then in this 5A, make sure to press on Riding to School. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including the report. I'll press on the topic first. Okay. Teachers, you can teach this lesson for reading aloud, or you can ask your student to read and listen back. You can press on the play button. You can press on the play button and press stop. And ask the student to reread or ask them to read first and listen. Next, after we have finished everything, you can move to the next part, Activity 1. This is where students will recap the vocabularies that they've learned just now. For example, you can ask them, which one is helmet? Or what is this yellow thing? Okay, so they will say bike, and then you can tell them, no, it is not a bike. Are you sure it is a bike? Okay, let's try. Is it a bike? Okay, let's put all of them first, and then you can choose random students at the back there, and then ask them, then they will say this is helmet, then the school bus, and then backpack. Okay, and then ask the students for one last time. Are you sure? Okay, let's take a look. Or you can ask them, come, please press. Okay. And then you can see, oh, the red one is wrong. It is incorrect. So you ask them, do it again. You can press this reset button. This is the reset button. Okay, so you put it back properly. Bike, helmet, backpack, and school bus. Yes. If it is correct, there will be balloons everywhere. Okay. Next, let's move to another activity. This is choose true or false. Reading comprehension. If you want to check your students' reading comprehension level, you can ask them, read, and then choose the answer. Click on the button. The students will be happy to do this in class because if they can click on their own. I've tried this in my classroom. They will be engaged, excited, happy, and will be, oh, so it is good for you if you can use this in the classroom. Okay, oh, so it is wrong, wrong, wrong. Okay, next. Okay, now it is also reading comprehension. Jessie is a, okay, they can choose. Bus driver, school student, teacher. Okay, then ask the students to read again. Find the keyword. Where is Jessie? Who is Jessie? Okay, and then you can read with your student. Ask them to choose. Make sure it is student-centered classroom, not teacher-centered classroom. Let them choose, let them read, let them do everything if possible. I'm teaching a very advanced student, so they are able to press and do everything on their own. I'll just stand there and observe my students. Okay, let's click, click, click for you to see. As you can see below, okay, because we press the wrong answer, they will write the correct answer for us. They leave home at 8 o'clock every morning. They get to school at 8:30. So you can highlight it in the classroom with your students. Okay, next, I'll just press random. Okay, done. Next, okay, so this is puzzle. I'm sure all of the students in the class will love to do this. Teachers, make sure you ask the students to read the instruction first, because most of the students, including my students, they don't like to read instructions. So they'll just, oh, puzzle, puzzle, puzzle. So they just, they don't know what are they doing. Okay, so tell them to read first. What do you see on your way to school? Find 6 words. Next, listen and practice. Of course, my way will be different than your way. So, open the discussion first. Do not directly, oh, we can see the zebra crossing, we can see the traffic lights, the lollipop man. No. Let them think kebat-kebat, hearts. Okay. Let them think first. Okay, on my way to school, I see a lollipop man. I see traffic lights. Just give a simple example first to them, and then open the discussion. Maybe someone will say, I see bicycle, I see motorcycle, I see school bus, and many more. Next, after that, you can check the report. If you want to give this as an assignment to your students during school holiday, you can ask them, okay, students, at the end of the page, the last page, please screenshot and send it to teacher. I want to see it. So you can check here errors, how many errors for each activity. Okay. And then I'll share with you a bonus on how to teach verb versus adjective. It is the website is called Bamboozle. You can click on the link provided, and then you can play this in the class. Okay. Click play, and then play for free. Team depends on your classroom. Usually I choose 4 teams. Okay, and then next, just go with classic. Okay. And then divide your students into 4 teams. One team consists of, depends on your classroom because our classrooms are different. Okay, ask the student, okay, the student choose number 6. Okay, number 6. Okay, the coffee is very hot. You can teach them the verb and adjective. The main point of this website, Bamboozle, is teachers can also create their own lesson. If you want to create your own lesson, you can explore more in this website because it might be time consuming for me to explain all to you. So you can explore everything. And that's all from me for CEFR Digital Year 6 resources. Thank you.